Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add audio files in CapCut, and all you have to do is to first tap on class audio, and then you're going to tap on sounds. From there, as you can see, CapCut has offered us some of the sounds that we recommend on our video. So for me, I'm going to tap on this icon and it says file. And once you're here, I am going to tap on either the extracted audios or the device one. So I'm going to tap on the device one, and from here I'm going to choose the audios that I prefer. From there I'm going to put it up to where I am comfortable with, or I'm going to just edit it and up to where I think I'm okay with. And once you're okay with your audio, all you have to do is to just tap on the export and it will be exported. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.